How to upload files via the cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click on the File Manager. There is a list of file directories. Select the directory where you wish to save your files. For example, if you click on public_html, it will open in the adjoining window. Now click on Upload. You have the option to drag and drop the file inside the box, or you can click on the button. That's it, we have successfully uploaded a file using cPanel File Manager. Now you can go to the public_html directory inside the File Manager and see the uploaded file. Here is the uploaded file. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.